Hello guys, welcome to a new video. This week we are going to learn an important topic for math class. But first our value for August, that is self-esteem. Okay, self-esteem is when always getting better, smart, beautiful, capable, and believe in yourself. Why always getting better? Because when I ask for help, when I don't understand something, I'm smart when I study hard and I'm good at problem solving. I'm capable when I'm not afraid to make mistakes when I try new things. I'm beautiful when my difference make me unique and beautiful inside and out. And all of this, I believe in myself. Okay, you have to build your positive self-esteem and remember to practice this important value for August. Okay, this week we are going to learn about completing the square. And what is completing the square? Completing the square is a method used to solve quadratic equation, and it can also be used to convert the general form of a quadratic ax to the second power plus bx plus c to the vertex form a times x negative h to the second power plus k. So generally, the goal behind completing the square is to create the perfect square trinomial from a quadratic. A perfect square trinomial is a trinomial that will factor into the square of a binomial. The square of a binomial is a binomial multiplied by itself, okay? So why complete the square? There are also times when the form ax to the second power plus bx plus c may be part of a longer equation, and rearranging it as a times x plus d to the second power plus e makes the solution easier because x only appears once, okay? Also, completing the square is the first step in the derivation of quadratic formula, okay? So this is an example. And determine the term that completes the square in each case, okay? So we have in the first one, letter A, x to the second power minus 6x. So what we have to do, we have to divide 6, okay? We have to divide 6 by 2, always by 2, and raise it to the power of 2. So what we have to do, we have to write 6 divided by 2 and then to the second power. And 6 divided by 2, 3, and 3 to the second power equals to 9. So what we have to do then, we have to add 9, okay? In this case, we have to add 9 to the expression to complete the square. So we have to copy again x to the second power minus 6 plus 9. So this is the solution, okay, for this example. In the second one, we have 3x to the second power plus 2 to 12x. Okay, then we have to take out the common factor of 3, okay? Common factor of 3, so that the coefficient of x to the second power is 1. What we have to do, we have to copy 3, and then a number that multiplying give me the same equation. So 3 times x to the second power plus a number in the table of 3 give me 12, 4, okay, and copy x. So if you multiply this one, you will have 3 times x to the second power, 3x to the second power, plus 3 times 4x equals to 12x. If you see if the same equation, so this factor is correct, okay? Then our solution will be this one, x to the second power plus 4x. And 4, okay, 4 will divide by 2 and raise it to the power of 2. What we have to do, we have to copy 4, divide by 2, and then to the second power. 4 divided by 2, 2, and 2 to the second power equals to 4. Now we have to add 4 to the expression to complete the square. And this is equivalent to adding 12 to the original expression, okay? If you see, I added 4, okay? But now we have to multiply with 3. If you see, we have 3 here. So what we have to do, we have to copy and then multiply. 3 times x to the second power equals to 3x to the second power. And 3 times 4x equals to 12x. And 3 times 4 equals 12. And positive times positive, positive. Okay, so this is the solution for this example, letter B. Okay, here is the third example. We have 5x to the second power plus 20x. If you see here we have a number, we have to find the factors for 5. Okay, so we have to copy 5 in parentheses, x to the second power 8, then positive plus a number in the table number 5 give me 20 is 4. So 4 and copy x. And then equals to 0. Okay. So now our solution will be this one. X to the second power plus 4x. Okay. Then we have x to the second power plus 4. And we are going to see 4. And then 4 have to be divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 to the second power. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and 2 to the second power equals to 4. Then we have to add 4 to the original equation. So we will have 5x to the second power plus 10, 20 plus 4. So this is the solution. We complete the square of this equation. So this is all, guys. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice week.